Alright, hey everybody. I want to show you guys a product that might help protect your noggin. Alright? It's called the bump cap insert. Alright? So if you buy this, you could insert it into any baseball cap and will give you additional protection of your melon. Alright? It's basically plastic with a slight foam insert here. Alright? Some of you old timers probably know what this is. Heard about this before. Alright? Now this hat, one of the reasons I also got it was because this hat, one of my favorite hats, over the couple of years that I got it, it has lost its form. Okay? So it's kind of flat, as you see here, at the kind of flat at the front here. Alright? And it's kind of floppy. So I got this insert. Basically just put it in there like this. Like that. And then there, inside your baseball cap, of course everybody knows there's flaps in there. And you just stick it into these flaps, and the sweatband part, I guess, that acts as a kind of like a flap. There you go. You just stick it in. That's what she said. But okay, whatever. So stupid. But okay. Alright. Just fold it in like so. Trying to get it in. I had it in. I shouldn't have took it out because I had it in perfect the first time, but I just took it out to demonstrate on the video. Damn it. Perfect the first time. Wait a minute. So now you got a hat that has a better form to it now, and the thing is with this, most people who wear bump hats are like plumbers and stuff who have to work on their sinks, or people who work in workshops that have to bend down, or mechanics that have a lot of things over their head and they might unknowingly bump their head on things. This hard plastic shell inside the baseball cap helps protect you from getting bumps and cuts on your head. And it only takes the slightest cut on your head to make you bleed like a stuck pig. So, to help protect your head in any kind of scenario, it might be worth it. And also, makes your hat look better too. If you have one of those hats that's lost its form. Anyway, thanks for watching. Knock on plastic.